Lambton Kent District School Board is embarking on a school modernization project at Rosedale Public School in Sarnia, Ontario. All LKDSB schools strive to provide a welcoming, modern learning environment to support students and teachers.
I'm Kaylee Evans, and I'm the principal at Rosedale Public School. I am so excited to share with you some plans for renovations that are happening at Rosedale. We are really excited to have a refurbishing of all of our classrooms.
As part of the interior renovation work, all classrooms within the school will be refreshed with new interior finishes, cabinetry, and updated learning tools and accessories. Kindergarten classrooms will be reconfigured to provide improved access to outdoor play space with new cubby storage and dedicated washrooms for each kindergarten area.
The best part is that we are going to have a state-of-the-art STEAM lab replace our current learning commons.
Redesign and relocation of the Learning Commons will create a welcoming gathering space for students and staff with access to natural light, views, and new project spaces to enhance science, technology, engineering, arts, and math-focused curriculum for all grades. The goals of the Rosedale Public School renovation include reducing the amount of energy the school building uses to be better environmental stewards, focusing on the air quality of the school with new air conditioning and ventilation equipment, providing updated finishes and equipment throughout each of the classrooms, extending and upgrading life safety systems to meet current standards, and improving the movement of vehicles on the site to provide a safe drop-off and pickup process for students. As well, they will be expanding and modifying exterior playground areas for junior and senior kindergarten and providing new outdoor equipment and amenities for primary, junior, and intermediate students. Year-round phase construction is intended at this school to reduce the overall duration of renovations and provide updated spaces in a shorter time frame. Portable classrooms will temporarily be installed to facilitate this approach and will be removed at the end of construction. Stakeholders for this project include the Lambton Kent District School Board, the Rosedale Public School community, and Class Shared School Services working in coordination with the project design consultants.
Hi, I'm John Howitt, the Director of Education for the Lambton Kent District School Board. We've been taking a look at our schools, and especially those that are showing their age. We feel it's a time for modernization to give our students the best classrooms and learning spaces that they deserve. In past, when we've done this, it's taken multiple summers and has been a little bit fragmented. We think that this new construction model will help for consistency and actually get the project done sooner. We believe in what you have to say, and your consultation is very valued.
Thank you for watching our presentation. Please forward any questions, comments, or feedback to our dedicated project email address below, rosedale-reno@lkdsb.net.